in there with them. A lot of babies. Just a beautiful guppy. Shimmer goes from almost a black to a blue. Just so cool. Hope the color's coming across. They're just stunning. Nice tails on the females also.